We are going to learn about arithmetic progression, theory based, total theory based one. So, when otherwise to find 3, 4 or 5 unknown consecutive terms of AP, means in problem sum it is mentioned, then we have to just take care of that thing. 3 terms are missing. These are A minus E, A plus B, where A is the first term and D is the, here mentioned, A is the first term and D is the difference of consecutive terms. Consecutive means one after another. Now 4 terms are missing, that is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 5 terms are missing, that is A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Now the derivation of the formula from nth term of an AP, from the formula from the sum of nth term. That nth term we had done. So that is An is equal to Sn minus 1, where condition is that n greater than 1 and in this case A1 is equal to S1. Now we are aware of that thing An. In some book it is mentioned Tn, that is known as last term. That is last term of finite AP. So is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is formula of n term. Now Sn is equal to n minus 2 bracket start 2A plus bracket start n minus 1 bracket over D bracket over. So this 2A is treated as A plus A. Rest of thing is carried forward as it is. But A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to last term. That is equation 1 and 2. So it is n upon 2 bracket A plus L. Where A is the first term of AP, D is the consecutive terms, difference between two consecutive terms, and n is equal to n the term of AP, but in sum it is demanded term and L is the last term.
Go.
How many terms of an AP 5, 8, 11 added up to 670? Means Sn is equal to 670. We have to understand the problem sum properly. So first term of AP, that is A is equal to 5. Common difference, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 minus 5 is equal to 3. Sn is equal to 670 and n is equal to question mark. Now n belongs to n, means it is not negative or it is not in the form of fraction. So formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value, that is Sn is equal to 670. Application of linear equation, division goes to multiplication, is equal to n as it is. Value of A is 5, n is 3, remaining as it is. So at the end of simplification, that is further step is 1340 is equal to n bracket. We have to merge like term, so that is equal to 7n distributive property, that is 7n plus 3n square. That is quadratic equation. That is known as the splitting the middle term. So 3 into 1340 is equal to 4020. We split such a way that that product is 4020 and subtraction must be coefficient of middle term, that is 7. That is how much? 7. So here it is 7. Now 67 minus 60 is equal to 7. We substitute that here. So that is 3n square plus 67 and minus 60 and minus 1340. Now we have to divide and rule, that is making a pair, distributive property from first two terms, n is common, so inside the bracket 3n plus 67. From third and fourth term we have to take a common such a way that inside the term this bracket remaining as it is of this. First, that is 3n minus 7, so we take out 20 common, here minus, so it becomes plus, so n minus, it becomes plus. So that is n minus 20 is equal to 0 and 3n plus 67 is equal to 0. So with the help of application of linear equation, n is equal to 20 and n is equal to minus 67 upon 3, that not equal, that is n is equal to 20 because of n belongs to n, therefore n is not equal to 67. Therefore, the sum of 20 term of AP, that is 5, 8, 11 added up to 6, 7. Now, the n term of an AP is given by an is equal to 4n plus 7. Find out the sum of n term of AP. So we know that the formula of Sn, there are two formulas. So here we are able to manage first term, that is n term of AP is an is equal to 4n plus 1. So here first term is equal to, instead of n we have to substitute 1, that is 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, and last term remaining as it is. Now formula of nth term, that is when first term and last term is known. So that is n upon 2 into bracket 8 plus 10. Well, n is the last term and a is the first term. So first term is 11 and last term is 4n plus 7. We have to multiply term, that is n upon 2 into bracket 4n plus 18. By distributive property we are getting that 4n square upon 2 plus 18n upon 2 cancel out, that is reduced form, that is 2n square plus 9n. So sum of first n term of AP is 2n square plus 9n. Thank you for watching this video.